Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to clear the Facebook watch history. You will need to place on the three lines. Go to settings and privacy, then click on settings, scroll down, click on activity log, then your Facebook activity, place there, then go where posts are, click on manage posts, then we are going to filter, you can decide to filter the photos, posts, photos and videos, but this time we want to clear the watch history, so we are going to clear the videos. Let's place on videos we've watched. Videos you've watched, click on clear video watch history. Are you sure? Only you can see your video watch history. You place on clear. We are still processing your changes. It may take some time to change or move or remove all the previous items you selected. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.